A series of destructive wildfires in the greater Los Angeles area have killed at least 10 people and forced 180,000 from their homes. The true death toll is not known, authorities said, as fires destroy entire streets and thousands of structures. Dry conditions and powerful winds fed at least 5 blazes, causing unprecedented damage in highly populated areas not known for fires, and strong winds are set to last through today, further complicating firefighting efforts. The Palisades fire has burned through almost 20,000 acres, more than 30 square miles, and has destroyed an estimated 5,000 structures. It was 6% contained tonight.